Well, there's no finer sound than that now, is there? That's the sound of rain.
We love it.
We love the sound of
We were in a
rain.
little mini drought. Our grass was starting to go brown. And we just hadn't had the joy of listening to the rain fall in so long.
So
It's
long.
been a dry month or two.
It has, and this has had some thunder, a little bit of thunder.
Yeah, more to come.
More to come. We have a storm that you're calling Big Bertha still is coming in from the Gulf. This is just the first wave of it. But we got the big storm coming.
Yeah. We love sitting on the lanai and when the rain's coming down.
When the rain's coming down.
Seeing how beautiful it is.
Yes. See it hitting the water out there and just the sound of it. So peaceful. So peaceful. So we're just enjoying it.
We certainly are.
We certainly are. All right. Signing off.